Alright, let's do one last example. 3 times the absolute value of 4w minus 1 minus the quantity 5 equals 10. This one looks a little bit different because I have extra things lurking around with my absolute value expression, and I'm going to deal with those things first because after that I'll know I can just split it and solve my two equations. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 5. That takes care of the 5, and next I'm going to divide by 3. Now, after I have divided by 3, I'm left with an absolute value expression on one side and a number expression on the other side. This is exactly where I want to be when I go to split this into two equations. So I'm going to say that 4w minus 1 equals 5, or 4w minus 1 equals negative 5. Working on the left, 4w equals 6, or w equals 6/4, which is 3/2. And working on the right, 4w equals negative 4, or w equals negative 1. Let's check our answers. So, 3 times 4 times 2/3 minus 1 minus 5 equals 10. If I combine fractions, I have 3 times the absolute value minus 5 equals 10, and 15 minus 5 equals 10. This is obviously true, so that answer must be right. On the right side now, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, minus 1 is negative 5, so I'm going to have the absolute value of negative 5. Remember, this expression is going to be positive once it's been evaluated. 3 times 5 minus 5 is 10, or 15 minus 5 is once again 10. So in this instance, both answers work. You can have a maximum of 2 answers for an absolute value expression. You can have a minimum of 0 answers. Alright, before you come to class, what I would like you to do is to write down these 5 statements and decide whether or not you think that they are true or false.